What I wanted to show people today is there's this dirty looking field right here. We clear cut this area about 6 years ago, and I brought a mulcher in shortly after we logged it and just blew it up down to the ground. I let it ride along, let it grow up a couple times. I burned it a few times, and then I came in here 2 years ago with a disc, and I disked the whole field and let the plants respond from that, and we got a real good response from that also. And then this past winter, I think it was in February, we burned this. And as you can see now, you got this regrowth. But I came in here after it started growing back, and I sprayed it. I broadcast sprayed a mixture of imazapic, which would be plateau, and clethodim to kill some grass, because I actually have a clover perennial plot along the roadside here that had some wheat and some stuff in it, and I killed it down because I didn't want any grass in it, and it was killing any other grass that was coming up too. We have a lot of dirt underneath these plants, mineral soil, which is what all the biologists talk about with poults, needing to have, you know, a clear path at ground level to where they don't have to navigate a bunch of thick thatch and cover. And right here you got ragweed coming up everywhere, which they talk about is so good for wildlife. It's a great deer food. It's a good cover plant for poults. This is just an example of the response that you get after a burn and after a chemical application. We're going to walk over here a little bit further and talk about some of the different areas of shade, and there's areas in this field where a poult could get in the shade if they're too hot. They can get in the sun if they're wet or cold and dry out. And there's insects everywhere for them to eat. Not to mention there's deer tracks everywhere out here where the deer have been, you know, taking advantage of a lot of the young regrowth. And this will be good throughout the whole summer, you know, provided we get some good rain, and these native forbs that are coming up will be outstanding food and cover plants that'll help carry, you know, the wildlife through the whole summer.